Would you like to join in the domain of automotive? Yes, there is a good opportunity initiated by Renault Group. They are recruiting the freshers, those who completed BE and B.Tech in the year of 2026, and a minimum 80% of aggregate is mandatory for 10th plus 2 and a graduation. That is the mandatory criteria because they are looking for freshers with a good background and knowledge. No history of arrears throughout the course. That is another constraint they are putting forward. Even part of our women in engineering initiative. Okay, they are mainly focusing on the women candidate. Even a gents candidate also can apply, but they'll give more preference for women candidate. So eligible engineering streams: mechanical, then automobile engineering, AI and machine learning, mechatronics, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, and computer science. So almost all branches are getting the opportunity. So please don't waste this opportunity. It's a very good opportunity to work in automotive field. For a EC and a triple E, you can join as a automotive engineers, automotive electronics domain they can work. Even mechanical, of course, it's a core part. So even AI and machine learning, definitely nowadays, so many AI applications are inculcated in automotive field. Definitely they'll be getting a good exposure. So location is at Chennai, Mahindra World City, Chennai. The interested candidates kindly share their resume to this given mail ID. Kindly make a note of this mail ID: campus.hiring@renault.com. So kindly send with a suitable covering letter. Try to add your courses which are undergone related to automobile and the EV. So if you publish any papers related to EV, that will be an added advantage. If you published any papers related to machines, so that will be having an added advantage. So better you can apply. It's a good opportunity for freshers. Hope you will apply. And if you have any support required, if you need any support related to interview or any other thing, do let me know. I can support you. Happy learning. Wishing you all the very best. So send the resume at the earliest and relative people must be shortlisted. Thank you everyone. Good luck.